Namaste students and welcome to my YouTube channel. Since the nationwide lockdown due to the coronavirus outbreak has enhanced the focus on online education, with schools and colleges offering classes over the internet to minimize academic loss during the period. Students, you know very well, class 10 is considered to be one of the most important exam for every student. Your result in class 10 board exam determine what stream you are going to study in your higher secondary. So you must have a clear knowledge of the class 10 syllabus, the each and every subject. So students, without wasting time, I am going to discuss class 10 social science paper. Before getting into detailed CBSE class 10 syllabus for social science, let us see the marks distribution for history, geography, economics and political science. Let's start. Now look at the syllabus. Here whole syllabus is given. So according to syllabus, you will get 4 units. The first unit history, for that 20 marks. Second unit it is geography, for that 20 marks. Third unit it is political science, for that 20 marks. And the last unit is economics, for that 20 marks. The total mark is 80. So this is your theory paper, and other 20 marks it will be your internal assessment. The syllabus of internal assessment is given below, you will see. So now you just scroll down and you will get the course content. Here see, now see here in your class 10 one project is there, for that you will get 5 marks. So what is the concept of project? The syllabus is given here, so you have to do it. The mark distribution of project is given. So content accuracy, originality analysis, for that you will get 2 marks. Presentation and creativity, for that you will get 2 marks. Fiverr, for that you will get 1 mark. So in this way you see now here social science, your code number is 87, means paper code number. So question paper design is given here. So here see your time will be 3 hours, maximum marks it will be 80, and competencies is here, you see just. And for the map skills you will get 6 marks. So in this way you just see internal assessment. Internal assessment is 20 marks, and here the internal assessments syllabus is given. So how we will get the internal assessment? Here see periodic assessment, for that you will get 10 marks. Again for the portfolio it is 5 marks, and subject enrichment, it is 5 marks. So again here it is given the list of map items. So from history you see here, again here from geography you see here. So in this way, this is your syllabus. Okay, so this is all about your syllabus, and in next class we'll discuss the chapter from economics part. This is economics part, this is development.